Oyster crackers. Man, it's hot as a motherfucker. So, oh, whoa, whoa. Let me hear you. Tell me. Ooh, yeah. Tell me. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, your boy Keni B. Once again, it's hot as a motherfucker here in Los motherfucking Angeles. Oh, I'm looking like people long stockings. 'Cause it's hot, girl. Woo, yeah. I say it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Hot. Ladies and gentlemen. Hey, babies. Check this out. It's hot as a motherfucker. We're doing the usual. But it's hot as a motherfucker, right? So, I don't know if y'all ever had these type of oysters or whatever, but they some big motherfuckers, right? As you can see, they come damn near like rocks. You know what I'm saying? You can bust somebody's fucking head with that. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make something a little bit different. I'm gonna put some garlic and butter together. See, there's some more. There's some other ones. Check this out. Now, honestly, the thing kind of looked like a pussy. You know what I mean? It really looked like a pussy. You know what I mean? Like, might be an ugly one, but it do look like a pussy. But what I'm finna do is basically open these up, right? And put the butter and hot sauce. I'm gonna have the garlic and hot sauce. Let me put a little bit more of this Mrs. Dash on. My Latino Mrs. Dash. But we're just gonna eat it for a snack. But put them on the grill, put the top off them, let them heat it up. But y'all ever just had the chance to really look at, these ain't the little bitty, nice, pretty little oysters and shit. These are some ugly looking oysters, but we grilled them on the fire last night. The smell of them really, really good. You got that wood smelling to them, so I'm about to crack these open so y'all can see how we're gonna prepare it, right? Oh, hey. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back in this so we can use it like a cup. So once I put the butter and stuff back in there, y'all gravy, baby. see that? Y'all see that, boy? So like I said, I'm gonna take this out and put it inside. Cause sometimes you can even actually get you get a pearl inside of it. Don't that look like a black girl's pussy? It's like eating pussy. It's like eating pussy. Make your dick hard. You know, when you eat pussy, it makes your dick hard. So I'm just saying. And if you see, look at her. Look at you see this? You see that? That's that meat. Y'all see that? So it's like meat. So like this. Yeah, yeah. Did you see that? So I got my butter and garlic over here. Heat up. Baby, you ready? Look, watch this. You see how that motherfucker look? Big old motherfucker, right? Watch it, watch it, watch it. Coochie! Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That pearl tongue sticking out. I know that reminds. Watch, here we go. Watch, here we go. Ooh, black pussy. Always gotta have it. Black pussy. But like I said, it's meat.
I knew it was strong, but I tasted it. I tasted it. I tasted it. Yeah, it's meat. Yeah.
Black pussy.
Water, the cold water is so goddamn hot.
Huh? Yeah, I can't open it up.
Ooh, boy.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Coochie! Pussy Lips 101. How to eat a coochie. First you get... First you get the oyster. Y'all ready to see this? Hey, Mr. Powwow, don't that look like some pussy, boy? That's that good shit. Hanging off of that. Look at that monkey behind it. Ooh, that monkey behind. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So, okay. Okay. All right, y'all. Y'all know me, man. I'm survival Keni B and shit. You know what I'm saying? I was like, come up with the little barbecue pits and shit, man. Get on that motherfucking beach. You know what I'm saying? Get on that beach, man. Act like goddamn me, I'm that surviving the fittest or the surviving. You remember that movie, The Survivor? Anyway, baby. So she's never tried an oyster with the shit, right? So
What you want me to do?
hold that for a second. Now see the reason why
Can I just get a plate?
No, babe, this no, this
Oh.
is whatever. This is the technique. I ain't gonna get you hooked up, but okay. You see this gotta look down on it. Put some of this on there, right? Woo! See, it look crisp. It's gonna be a whole little dip sauce right here. So even if you got to bite into it, because you can bite into it and chew it. There you go.
Come on, Mom.
Hold on.
Wait. It's kind of like attached. Right there. You see that?
King, she's eating. Quit. Have some respect. You don't want nobody put their finger over your food.
You got a mushy one, huh? That's mushy, huh? That one was mushy, huh? That was mushy, huh? Yeah, you got the wrong piece of it. That's why I like the little ones. The little itty bitty ones. They ain't got that much push on it.
Dre.
She got a mushy one. That other one that had that. Yeah, it was that mushy.
You think you got
I don't like the mushy one.
Mushy.
Come here, babe.
It's mushy.
What you mean mushy? Like,
It was red.
here,
Mushy.
Dre, can I hook you up, Dre? Like a shot? Move.
Oh, Lord, y'all about to do it. Do it.
Hold up.
On the butter. Garlic butter! Get the lemons. Hold on. Would you try to bite it?
I did. No,
She did.
No, I don't want to bite.
Huh?
I don't want to bit one. I want a fresh one.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll take a fresh one. Yeah. I don't
No, did nobody bite on? No.
Mom threw hers away.
Oh, she threw hers
Oh.
away.
Yeah.
No, that's a new.
You threw it away.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
said
was mushy.
You know, she don't like the consistency.
Neither do I. Except mush. How is it? Is there any little ones?
Yeah, that's what's good.
You know, I'm little.
No, they're the big. They're the humongous.
Come on, in 2 bites. That ain't little.
This little.
I want like a thin little piece.
This right here? No,
I
that's
Never
mushy.
mind.
That's
run
mushy.
into
That's mushy.
shit, like,
Never mind. I don't want one.
This
I don't
one.
they're not bad.
I'll take them fresh.
They are fresh, fool. I just took them off the grill.
Not cooked again. Also, I don't like them mushy.
Is it good, bro?
All that mushy. I don't do mushy. Well, good for you. Go ahead.
Well, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I am hot. See, people never appreciate when a nigga get over the stove and shit. You know what I'm saying? Cook over the stove. Some people don't appreciate your cooking. You gotta realize that. But I'm finna try it my damn self. God damn it.
Apple was the best part.
So, bam. Make my own shot.
Hold on, it's the best part though. It's the best part.
Right. So you gotta make a shot. It's a shot. I should have put some of that rum in there. Put a drop of that rum in there. Shit, boy. Nigga been on one, you hear me? Yeah, put a drop of rum in here.
Which want to put it in the butter?
Yeah, I want to put it in mine right here.
Oh, you going straight shot. You going straight shot. Okay.
Yeah. Zil, you see that? I'm gonna put my shit right here. We don't want to do it like them.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Hey, stop me. I ain't no motherfucking bitch that won't try it. I'll try it.
Yes, Lordy.
I'll try it.
See, I'm gonna shoot mine down like a G. Hold on, let me get this little seed out of here. I don't want to choke myself, but you see it?
That's like a really feeling oyster gives me, like the feeling of like I'm about to cry. Like it's so fucking good. Like all last night I was just like,
What's the alcohol for it?
Shot.
I think I can
Oh,
do
yeah.
it better with a shot than I can chew. You know what I mean? Like when I ain't gotta chew nothing.
Now somebody was saying, "Oh, you supposed to swallow this motherfucker whole? How you swallow that all whole? It ain't nothing but fish." You know what I'm saying? You look at the texture.
But
Look
it
at
doesn't separate the same way fish does.
a little bit.
It stays more attached.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, so that shit ain't gonna break down in your throat as easy while you're trying to swallow. A piece of fish will crumble down to nothing. You could take a big bite of fish, but that right
I
there
don't
is
care
like
what nobody
rubber.
say. I've been eating oysters for years. I ain't never swallowed one.
Well, see,
Never.
what happened?
oyster juice.
Shots. Yeah, I'm feeling you.
Well, I tried. I did it. She tried, and it did not work. It didn't go down the mouth. It just did not squirt. It's down the throat. Down the throat.
I know my day. I eat some crazy stuff, but I don't know. That one just wasn't for me.
Well, I cooked it. I smoked it, so it wasn't chewy.
Nah, it's just.
I smoked it. That's why you can chew it up, because I really cooked it on the grill.
Yeah,
So
nah,
it was way you can just eat it up. She said she didn't like that.
It's the mush. There's like
Willie,
a mushiness in it.
let me lie.
No, I don't like. I'm cool.
Just stop.
I eat shrimp. That's good enough.
I eat crab. That's good enough.
I eat crab. I eat lobster.
I eat
And I don't eat a lot. I don't eat a lot of different seafood.
Crawfish.
I don't eat a lot of seafood, so
Octopus.
I eat certain seafood.
Calamari.
Nah. It don't matter.
Could you go give me
As long as the motherfucker
my shirt? My shirt. White shirt over there.
But oysters, I
Who's eating
never
motherfucker, man?
wasn't big on oysters. I never was.
They like scallops too.
What are scallops? Really good.
Get on back.
Well. I had a little bit of that.
Magazino is like little tiny baby lobsters.
Yeah, rum got like have like a little harmony to it.
That shit is fire.
You got that right there? Yeah. No, I'm talking about this, like the rum.
Yeah.
Okay, I officially see why old women wear this shit. Because it do keep you nice and cool.
Now it's just
Long as your thighs.
a napkin.
Long as your thighs.
Boy, it's hot as a motherfucker in LA. Fuck wrong with LA, y'all.
108 earlier.
Fuck wrong with LA. LA hot as hell. 109 degrees. I put 102. I need to repost that shit. Man, it's 109 motherfucking degrees out here. Goddamn it, it's hot as hell. But it's okay.
That's my first day. I love that first day of the
Hey, Trina, you don't chew them, you swallow them. Well, you know, some people like deep throats. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people can swallow. Some people can swallow a whole
And
nut.
I'm sure they respect that.
And I respect you if you can swallow a whole nut. Like, I got a big dick. Like, my dick is really, really big. And some people can swallow it. You know what I'm saying? Like, go all the way to my balls. I can't do that.
No.
You ain't
I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that.
You shouldn't know how to do that.
You know, if you could do that, you need to be on a porn. You want to see how big a motherfucking oyster you talking about you supposed to swallow this shit? Shit. Your ass should be on porn swallowing shit this big, goddamn. I don't know what the hell you talking about. Shit. Hold up. Let me pull one of these big motherfuckers on out. If you can slide shit down your throat that big, yeah. Oh yeah. This pussy right here. I like to eat pussy. Ooh, shit.
No.
I like to eat. I like to eat pussy, but ooh, look at that. You see it look just like a pussy, but I can't swallow a whole pussy down my throat. I tried so many times all my life. Some pussy just fit right in my mouth, but I just can't swallow. I gotta chew it. I gotta chew the pussy. See? Pussy lips. I'm just saying. If you want to heat up some other ones too, bro.
She's not heated up?
Nah. I don't want to heat it. I just turn it on the top over.
Oh, you know how to do that, man. I mean, that's fucking good, bro. You know, they'll be like, what's that smell? Boom! Fucking weed and shit.
Just squirt a lemon and we've been squirting lemons. We've been squirting lemons and I cooked some butter. Garlic butter and hot sauce. We got the lemons right there. That ain't the point. That's the hot sauce. But have you tried it with the garlic butter on their ass? Ooh! Quit playing, player. You know. But if you can swallow shit like that down your throat, man, more power to you. I can't do no shit like that.
I could go get a bag of seafood, 2 packs of top.
I've been trying to put titties in my mouth and swallow titties all my life, and I can't swallow titties like that down my mouth. It's just no matter if they A, double D.
You're not supposed to swallow titties down. Nobody.
But I'm just saying, because she's telling me that I'm supposed to swallow an oyster. I can't do things like that. It's too big, especially for a man. Like,
That's a talent.
I've been trying to swallow titties all my life. This is just. Hey, baby.
Oh, you like, huh?
Well, see, even if they slimy, just think about it. Just like you just gonna swallow the alien. You ever seen the movie The Alien? You ever seen that damn movie The Alien where the shit come out your stomach? I don't want that to happen to me.
Hey, no.
Don't you know no good? We're talking about eating oysters.
Have at it. Enjoy your
We got some chips right here. You want some of these barbecue chips right here?
Okay.
You're more than welcome. Yeah, there's bags all over. I fuck with all the other shit though. You don't fuck with none of the other stuff though. You don't eat oyster. Mini clams and stuff. See, I fuck with clams, mussels, sauce on it.
You might
Oh man, I'm gonna have to learn how to make them motherfuckers, because it's just like an oyster, but it's small. It's in a shell, and it's attached the same way and everything. But at the Chinese buffets, they put like this little sauce and cheese on the top.
Hey, we've been eating this shit since, man, we left the beach around about
3. We got here at 3.
We got home around about 3. Yeah. Yeah, we got home around about 3 in the morning. Woke up, we still had hella more. So shit, won't eat the motherfuckers. At least give them away if we ain't gonna throw them away.
We gave away already.
But that was something, man. We for the last
that's your birthday present.
the last few weeks, you know what I'm saying, we just been, you know, going to the beach and shit, man.
Enjoy your oysters.
Making
And you won't go to the beach.
you know, some oysters, barbecue some oysters and shish kebabs and shit like that. Shrimp, shish. I don't eat shrimps and shit like that. Certain, you know, seafood I don't eat. So, you know, trying oysters and shit like that, I have tried it before, but when I cook my shit, I like cooking my shit all the way done. You know what I'm saying? So my shit gonna be done. You know, it's just one of those things.
I'm proud of you for eating it.
No, it's just like I would eat it, you know, but I won't just like dog out, pig out, you know what I'm saying? But it's like fish, you know what I'm saying? The way I cook it, I'm gonna cook it till it's done. I don't want no slimy shit in my throat. I eat pussy, not eat the juice out of the pussy. You know what I mean? You ain't gotta go that far. You ain't gotta go that far.
To each his own. To each his own.
I'm just saying.
Because you put a motherfucking seafood soup in front of me right now.
Push.
I'ma fuck with that soup. Oh, I'ma eat all the octopuses. I got some seafood in there that I bought from Carlos gonna make me a seafood soup. Cause I said that the ramen that we got wasn't good. I think we can make it better. We'll have like mixed pack with all the stuff in it.
When I was
So,
watching you eat it right then, I was thinking
that was just
about
something else playing around, man.
I'm good,
Hope
man.
y'all
Man.
like my tutorial of eating oysters.
You was jamming too.
Y'all know I'm kind of. Hey, you know what? This is funny on some real shit. Some girl was on live yesterday, and they was like, they was just coming on. They was like at a bar or something like that. So when I go on people live, I always say hello. You know what I'm saying? It's just a polite thing to do to say hello when if you're looking at somebody. You know what I'm saying? So I said hello. So eventually the other girl seen it. She was like, hey, hello. And I guess the girl who live there was, they said, girl, don't say hello. That's the one be calling girls bald-headed bitches and shit. He be calling females bald-headed bitches and shit. He be calling all kind of bitches.
I mean,
I guess I'm known for that. I guess if that's what it is, bitch, if you that mad about that, you shouldn't even be my friend. You should defriend my ass quick as hell if I'm known to you as the nigga that be calling bitches bald-headed bitches. Female, yeah, that's my bad. Females, bitches. Because I call a bitch, you know what I mean? Shit, that's what that is. I call a bitch, a hoe, a lady, and a woman.
I call them bitches. I call females bitches all the time.
He be calling all type of
All
bitches.
the time.
You heard it before, right? About
She ain't want nobody to speak to me.
that whole, that bitch here was the smoking hole.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I might have heard.
She was hella mad. No, we're not addicted to oysters. We just kind of like, you know what I'm saying, just for a treat to go out there on the beach, man, and that's what we do. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just something to do. You know what I'm saying? That coronavirus shit had people locked down. It's the only way we can really get our summer back.
In the wintertime, just throw them on
You know what I mean?
the grill.
I want to do, like when I'm barrels, that way they all hot at the same time, and this is like non-stop.
Put them here.
Why?
No, here on the grill. Can't you put them there on the grill?
I don't think they say smoke though. That's why I like doing it like that.
Oh, with the smoke.
Hey, boy, my hair look like Charlie Hustle.
Damn, I hate when I accidentally like somebody's picture, man. I can't take it back.
Shit.
You can.
Shit.
Nah, it look funny. That's already popped up.
Yep.
My fault.
Yep, my bad. I didn't mean to pick this picture.
Right.
It wasn't that.
You was the wrong one. I was strolling and hit on the accident. Damn, you know. I only call female bitches when they do bitch things. That's my point. A lot of bitches be doing bitch things.
It was accidentally. I know
Niggas is bitches too.
I
So it ain't like a motherfucker just calling you a bitch.
He got one song That nigga,
Yeah, I be saying, I be
Remember
calling
the
niggas
Fast and
bitches
Furious?
too.
He sounds short for a drift joint. This joint brought by him. He sounds short
Man.
for us. Oh God. Hey, we can say we had a bomb ass summer.
Yeah.
Went to the beach.
We done went to hella parties. Nigga, we done,
Right.
oh God, we had a bomb ass
Right.
motherfucking summer.
Well, we
Nigga, we
ain't-
roasted oysters on the beach and shit,
Right.
nigga. What you
We ain't
talking
letting
about?
this motherfucking coronavirus stop the summer.
Nah,
Fuck
because
that.
you can't. Well, you can't let it stop life. Period. It doesn't matter. When the winter time comes, we're gonna find something outside to do in the winter time.
Fuck that. 'Cause
We in the house and you in a building. It doesn't matter whether
I
you in
can't
the
take
house
it.
or
I ain't gonna
not.
lie. Like it's like I be wanting to run like Forrest Gump. I just felt
Fuck
like
that.
running.
I mean, don't get it twisted. I love
You know what I
my
mean? Like I
house.
can't take it.
I love being at home and I love
Yeah.
being at my restaurant, but goddamn it, I love being outside too. And if I'm not allowed
That's what it
to
felt
go
like.
outside,
We all shedding
I'm
our work schedule.
Yeah.
I'm at my job, nigga, fucking 40 hours a month plus hours a week. I know you be here.
And niggas don't want to
Yeah,
let up.
like I'll be like, I need a different
I
sound.
want to do like an escape room.
I
You
want
gotta
to
go in
like
there
that
and
too.
figure out how to get
There's
out.
one down the
And
street.
that was
There's one on Figueroa.
It's
It
that
was
brain.
one
That's
on
what our brain power.
It's one on Figueroa.
It's just that now. because
No,
of
like across the
social
street from the
distance-
Staples Center.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like close as hell. The escape room is close as hell. Then they got one on Hollywood, but you know.
Nah, go right there by USC.
And goddamn me, Hollywood
freeway.
got them virtual video games and shit, man. They got a whole. Yeah.
You see, we actually were starting to do stuff like that because I said that we need to spend money on experiences and not just on food.
I recommend going to that one place.
Right, so
What's the
we
name?
can go eat at Burger King, right, and go somewhere fun.
Just like.
You see what I'm saying? Instead of going out to a fancy place to eat, and
Yep.
then we did what?
What's that one place that me and Ocean had went to with all that
Shit,
VR?
dying as hell.
Oh, right. I heard about that place.
Sportsland.
Two Bit Circus.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, two bit circus.
Yeah.
I got some cars. Somebody gave me. I never used it.
That could be a thing that y'all do. It's okay.
I gotta get my shit done.
I don't know.
That motherfucker gotta get wrapped like
I
a
recommend
motherfucker.
that. That's fun. It's fun for kids, but you guys can drink and all that.
That like a robot bartender.
Oh yeah, me and Ocean tried
Yeah.
to drinks from that.
Rastaman.
Luckily, I had one, but I'm too young.
Did you put it in there to get it red? Did you put it to get it red to see if it knew you were old enough or not?
Y'all remember that shit? The prep. This nigga showing his age. The nigga doing the prep. Quit doing the prep.
You, definitely you are retarded.
Why we doing old school dance?
No, you are.
You know the dance is savage, nigga.
That's because I just spent the whole entire time.
You know the
at
dance
that.
to Beyonce Savage, nigga.
Not Beyonce.
Yeah, or the big horse
Also,
bitch.
Megan.
The horse bitch.
Also,
Megan
it's not the
Thee
whole
The
entire
shot in
song.
the foot bitch.
It's only one.
Is
part.
it wrong for me to say bitch too? My bad. That bitch that got shot in the foot.
Oh, she knows it too.
Oh, Megan Thee Stallion.
Oh, she knows it too.
Na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Man, this motherfucker hair is entangled. Look at this shit. These two right here.
You're trying to come up back to potato chips ever.
You see this? Fucking hair just started locking up automatically.
Mom said she got inspired by you.
You know what? I haven't even put my head in that water,
I
which
did.
I really did. I did need
I
to.
did.
Yeah, you did.
Oh shit. Now I'm getting more
Monkey head. just a little while. Entanglements. Entanglement. 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 It's entanglement. Entanglement. Entangle. Entanglement.
Hey, that shit yesterday was hilarious. Man, that shit was hilarious. Ah! Pieces!
Entanglement. Entanglement.
Oh, man, that was hilarious.
Entanglement. Your hair is tangled. Your legs is tangled. You even got two boobies that tangle together. You, entanglement, 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 entanglement. Entanglement, entanglement, entangle, entangle, entanglement, entanglement, entanglement. I can see. Entanglement. Entangle, entangle, entanglement. Entangle. Entangle. Entanglement. Entangle. I'm tired of you, bitch, cheating on me. I seen you with Austin. You gon' tell me that you entanglement with this little boy. Entanglement. Entanglement. You bitch, you fucking around with this boy. You entanglement. Entanglement. You got your legs open to this little boy. You got the entanglement. Entanglement. Ow. Bitch, you got the entanglement. Y'all see the line on my forehead? Entanglement.
Oh my God, this is how you get the name, bro.
Entanglement.
I swear, hey, to God, bro, at every studio I'm willing to bet there is a nigga like him in the corner that, like, when a nigga like me gets the vibe going, it's like, all right, pay attention to him, and he feel me like for real.
Okay. When you sit down, how do I make it call? Because I'm supposed to turn that on before that. That's
Nigga
right.
like you,
Entanglement. 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 Entangle.
What do you
why I used to get in trouble in school, I'm telling you. Motherfucking teacher kicked my ass out of class all the time. Get your ass out of here, boy. Just get out of here. You ever had a teacher that said, just get the fuck out of here. Just get out. You done made, they don't even say you done made me curse. That's what my mama said. They just tell my ass, get the fuck out of here, boy. Just get out of here. Your ass silly. Fuck out of here. You gonna make somebody lose their motherfucking fingers. You never heard cracking jokes about niggas operating with heavy machinery and shit.
Entanglement.
Entanglement, got your entanglement. Entanglement. Entangle. Entanglement, got entanglement.
Dark chocolate wafer.
See, this is what happens when you get hot.
Dark chocolate
You want to
wafer.
get it little. Entanglement, love. Entanglement. Entangle. Entanglement. King, do me a favor. Go cut the stove. I mean, the grill off. Go get the grill off. Off. Alright, y'all. Pick it up off the small block.